The Samsung Galaxy S series has always been at the forefront of smartphone design, and the latest models in the series are no exception. Recently, a renowned leaker Ice Universe uploaded an image of the Galaxy S24 series front display dummies on its X account, formerly known as Twitter. Displayed are 3 models from the Galaxy S series, all embodying Samsung's modern and sophisticated design approach. Notably, one of the striking features of the Galaxy S24 series is the bezel design. With a sleek black bezel outlining the edges, it promises a flatter display compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 series, which not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also enhances the viewing experience by providing a sort of frame for the content on the screen. The bezels are slim and subtle, maximizing the screen-to-body ratio to 89.12%, thus offering users a larger display area. At the top center of the screen, there's a small notch that houses the front camera. This notch is unobtrusive and blends seamlessly with the rest of the display, ensuring that it does not interfere with the viewing experience. Many users might be disappointed with the size of the bezels the phone has, while others may be happy to have a flatter display. Both the S24 and S24 Plus have rounded corners, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra has more sharp and rectangular corners. By the way, which one do you like, rounded corners or the sharp rectangular ones? Comment below. And do like this video if you are enjoying it. Recently we also had some leaked images of the Galaxy S24 series dummies. These images encompass all 3 models in the lineup shared by @Sonadixon. In these images, the 2 smaller models showcase flat sides and rounded corners, with only the 3 camera lenses protruding on the back. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Ultra catches the eye with its more rectangular appearance, and the addition of 2 extra camera lenses on the rear. So doesn't this leak where the front panel of the Galaxy S24 Ultra looks stunning? Well, we will find out about it all soon. On the grand unveiling of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is expected to take place in January at an Unpacked event in the US. What do you guys think of these leaked images? Do you like it? Do let us know your valuable thoughts in the comments section below. Also consider subscribing for more updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.